In a small village lived Ramesh Madhvis and their 10 years old son Mangus. They were very poor. They lived in a small village. Farming was their only source of incomes, which helped them run their households. But one night, terrible storms and heavy rains destroyed all their crops. Now they had nothing left at all. The poor family went crying to see their ruined fields.
Oh, we have lost everything. Everything is ruined.
What we will do now? How will we even survive?
Everything was destroyed, but avoided the deserts. One small ray of hope still remains. There was one banana tree still standing in their fields. This was not an ordinary tree, rather it was a magical tree, but no one yet knows about these magical trees.
Isn't it strange? Everything is gone, but the banana tree your father planted is still standing strong.
Oh, yes, I didn't even notice that.
Just then there was 10 years old son Mongoose running happily and said,
That's because Grandpa planted this tree when I was born. Before he passed away, he told me that this tree would always stay green and help me if I take care of it with love.
Since childhood, Mongoose loved that tree a lot. Every morning he gave it water and looked after it with lots of cares. He used to talk to the trees just like he talked to his grandfathers. One day Mongoose was very hungry and had his stomach and went to his mom's asking for food.
Mom, please give something to eat quickly. I'm very hungry.
Where should I get food from? We don't even have a single grain at home. It feels like famine has hit our home. We might just die of hunger.
Hearing all his mongoose becomes very sad, and whenever he was sad, he always sat under the banana trees. He did the same that day to his grandpa.
Grandpa, look, I've been hungry since morning. Mom says we don't have any food left at home. Things are getting worse each day, Grandpa. I wish you were still alive. I'm I'm really missing you, Grandpa.
Mango hugs the trees and begins to cry. Their trees started falling near the tree's roots. The banana tree slowly bends towards Mango's as if it was hugging him back. Loving suddenly a bunch of bananas begins to grow on the tree. Mango looked up and was surprised.
Whoa, a bunch of bananas. This wasn't here before. When did this grow?
Seeing the first bunch of bananas made Mango's supper apply, he quickly plucks many bananas from the bunch and running reaches to his mom's quickly showing her bananas. He says,
Look, Mom, I brought too many bananas.
Oh, where did you get these bananas from?
Mom, I plucked them from our banana tree. All of a sudden, lot of bananas grew on it today. It appears as a magic.
What? Really? That's unbelievable.
Tovis made the vegetables dish with some of the bananas and she slides the rest to make bananas chips, leaving them to dry. The next day, there's neighbors Lilta came over and picked up our chips to taste.
Wow, Madhvi, these banana chips are so tasty. Looks like you've started a new business. By the way, how much for these chips? These chips, just 50 rupees. Okay.
Lilta quickly took out 50 rupees and placed it in Madhvi's hand.
Do one thing, Madhvi. In 2-3 days, make 10 kilos of these chips for me. I am going to visit my parents and I'll take them along.
Saying this, Liltas left from there.
10 kilos of banana chips? But a single tree can't grow that many bananas.
No worries. Just make however many you can. Let's not say no to work.
Next morning, when Ramesh went to the trees to pick bananas, he was shocked to see thousands of bananas hanging on it.
Oh God, how did this miracle happen? How did so many bananas grow overnight?
Ramesh picked as many as he could, filled baskets with them, and brought them home. He told Madhvis everything and eyes. She was surprised from that day on. Ramesh and Madhuri started making banana chips together. In just 2 days, they made 10 kilos of
Hey, look there.
chips.
We earned 500 rupees in just 2 days. I'm thinking, why don't we set up a little chips stall? We can sell both raw and fried chips.
Wow, that's a great idea.
After that, Madhuri started making chips at homes and Ramesh started selling them at the markets. The chips were so amazing that people who had them could not stop eating them.
Wow, what are chips? Absolutely delicious.
Slowly, Madhuri's chips became famous everywhere and people from far away places came to buy them. Eventually, Ramesh and Madhuri started selling chips even in the cities. Their business grew so much that they opened a big shops. Ramesh was growing more and more successful and became very rich. One day, some poor villagers came to him.
Ramesh bhai, can we get some work at your shop? We really need a job. Of course, brothers. I won't be able to manage all the work alone anyway. Your help would be great for me too.
Ramesh started hiring needy people and Madhuri is also involves helpless village women in making chips with hers. Everyone worked together happily. The bananas tree never stopped giving bananas. The one tree's grandpa planted changed the lives of so many poor people.